Crypto Helper back again with another video, and today we're going to discuss XRP. What's going on with XRP? What's my price prediction? What am I doing with the token at the moment? But we'll get into that along the way. But first of all, guys, I've managed to reach 380 subscribers, which is a little milestone for me. So guys, if you do like the channel, could you please hit the subscribe button, please, so we could grow towards that 400 mark, which I really want to get to. But first of all, let's just get into it. So from a technical analysis side of things, this is what we had yesterday. So I'm just going to change this to the hourly chart. So yesterday, guys, we had a lovely little rally yesterday. And I was so tempted to get in because I thought I didn't want to FOMO in and miss out. But we managed to reach this line here. So if we go back on the daily, you can see that this has been resistance since the 20th of March. So we've been bouncing off this line as resistance, and now we're coming up to resistance again. So I've just bought some XRP, and I know we're coming into resistance, and the RSI is severely overbought, which could send it down. But I just want to show you why I am purchasing XRP. So just if we drop into this 15-minute chart now, guys, and I'll show you what's behind me thinking. So, like I say, we rallied up yesterday, round about 5-6% maybe. So yeah, about 6%. And my thought was I didn't want to jump in, fear of missing out. I wanted to wait till it come back to a level that I could purchase it. So in my previous videos, I've showed you how to use the Fibonacci. Fibonacci sounded a little bit Italian there. So as we draw from top to bottom, and this will give you a 618 and the 786. So as you can see, guys, we come down to the 786 perfectly. So I got a market value. I put half in at the 618, and then I had a limit order set for the 786, and it hit it perfectly. So all in all, I thought nearly 1,300 XRP for, it was $585 at the time. It has went up a little bit, but this is the thinking behind it. So as we come down, tested that 618, sorry, and the 786 perfectly. We've had a nice bounce, and now we're coming up this trend line here. Now we're coming up to this resistance again, but the more we hit it, the more we can break out. Now, I know there's a spanner in the work today because Jermaine Powell speaks today at 3 o'clock. And whenever he speaks, there's lots of volatility in the market, which could shoot it a lot higher or a lot lower. But the outcome on Ripple is still the same. I'm personally bullish on XRP, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. But this is just from a technical point of view of where I've got into my trade and where we are at the moment. Now this is just on spot. I'm not leveraging. I'm not leveraging any XRP at the moment. I'm just specifically buying spot, and then when it hits a certain area, I will just sell it back into USDT. So, like I said, guys, I bought 1,300 yesterday, $600 worth, and here's the reason behind it. So, going into Ripple's website, Twitter, sorry, if you look what they've been doing over the last few days. So, they've just purchased Metaco for, I believe, 250 million. So, if you want to know what that is, you can go through your look. So, Ripple takes on the crypto custody market with Metaco, and this was on the 17th of May. So just a couple of days ago. And this is what it believes to be here, look. So the growing institutional crypto custody market is expected to reach a staggering 10 trillion by 2030. So if we go on to CoinGecko at the moment, the whole crypto market, including Bitcoin, which is at $500 billion, the whole lot is only 1.1 trillion at the moment. So by 2030, 10 trillion by 2030. So that is a significant increase. And that's just on this side of things. So the key facet of the infrastructure required for enterprise crypto services, and recent research conducted by Ripple shows that most global finance leaders at financial institutions and enterprises have plans to use crypto custody solutions in their business within the next 3 years. So primarily through a third-party provider. And guys, we're just coming out the bear market in the moment. So during the next 3 years, we're going to be in a bull market, so there's going to be a lot of projects going through the roof, and XRP wants to be at the front of all that. But we'll get into the reason why in just a couple of minutes. So Like I said, XRP, it's down in 6, but if you take out all the stable coins, etc., it is there in the top 6 at a 24 billion market cap. So guys, a few months ago this article was given out. So if Ripple wins against the US Securities and Exchange Commission in its legal battle, a relisting of XRP token on the largest American crypto exchange, Coinbase, obviously it's going to get re-enlisted on Coinbase. So Coinbase has exposure to millions of people around America. It's one of the biggest exchanges going. And obviously it's saying if it wins its case against the SEC, then there's a potential for it to be re-enlisted. And so what will that do? That will give exposure to millions of people across America. And that's just basically giving a 2 fingers up at the SEC, who's been trying to decimate XRP for years now. And luckily enough, they've had the financial power to sustain that and keep fighting them and fighting them and fighting them, where they haven't sort of run out of money and went under. So not only is this a win for XRP, this is also a win for the whole crypto community. So we should be blessed that XRP has took the fight to the SEC, because in the long run, it's just going to be a massive positive for crypto in general. So a big massive thank you to XRP for taking it to the SEC and showing them who the real boss is. So if you go straight onto their website now, look guys, this is what's got me excited. Settlement in seconds, not days. Now this is on Ripple's website. So if you go onto ripple.com, it says a settlement in seconds, not days. Now for me that is exciting, because I know you get the rumor, buy the news, sell the rumor, or is it the other way around? But anyways, the settlement is in seconds, not days. Now that for me is bullish. And I know we've got Jermaine Powell speaking later on, which could send the market up or down. But either way, this is bullish for not only crypto, but obviously XRP in general. So we want to see what happens with this. And at the moment, we're coming up to this resistance again. Now we've hit it that many times, guys. And remember, it's just like glass. The more you hit that glass, the more you're going to smash through it. So obviously I know the RSI, this is on the 15-minute, but I want to go to the hourly because you get a better look. The RSI is coming down to reset, which for me is good. And this could be a nice, depending on what Jermaine Powell says this afternoon, this could be so bullish. We could expect a lovely breakout. Now, this is not financial advice to say, right, go and buy XRP now. I'm just putting the jigsaw puzzles together of why I'm bullish on XRP. And I know this has been going on for years, and people say it's going to be sorted today, it's going to be sorted then, and it's never materialised. But just looking at their website, seeing a settlement is in seconds, not in days, that is exciting to me. That's positive news. So that hence the reason yesterday why I jumped in, bought myself some XRP, just at the resistance area, which I wouldn't normally do. But this is a lovely support level coming up here, and as you can see, it's bounced off this again. So it's going to end up being a nice short squeeze, and hopefully that short squeeze is up the upside, and my risk reward is on the upper side. So I'm happy about that. So guys, I know this is just a brief quick video, but I wanted to show you about XRP. Like I said, it's been going on for years, and we really can sort of progress now. XRP's got a lot of stuff going on, exactly with its CBDCs as well. It's also in Dubai, setting up financial institutions over there, and obviously Dubai is a powerhouse when it comes to finances. So I'm super bullish on XRP. I know it doesn't have to just be America that's involved. We could be involved across the globe. But once this SEC, once it's out of the way, the settlement's been done, then XRP can really, really rip. And that's why I'm bullish on it. And I expect it to go back to £1 at least, or $1 for you Americans and stuff. But it can really go back to there. I mean, we've only got to just put into perspective what it was before all this happened. So before all this bad news, just going quickly on the daily. In fact, I might have to go on the weekly just before we finish up. If you look on the weekly, before we were at around about $1.60. Now this was all in this is what it was bullish on. So it did start off at the 179 area. It did come down, and then it did come back up again. But this is bear and bull markets, and it's been declining ever since. So since the Coinbase delisted it, there was a lot of delistings. There was so much fun, and it crashed down. but now it looks like the settlement is in place. I just wanted to show you guys the settlements in seconds, not days. This could be positive news for Ripple, and that's why I'm buying it. So guys, this is just a brief video. I just wanted to let you know about it. Like I say, if you did like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so we can grow the channel. I'll get some more analysis on different crypto tokens that you could possibly purchase and profit off in this next bull run, which should be coming up very, very shortly. Like I say, guys, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.